I think most people would be able to come up with a good trading recipe if they decided to invest the time, money, and effort it takes to achieve the desired result. The only good way to get a market advantage is to find something that has a probability above average. You can always add filters, combine the indicator you use with other signals, or change the default values for the indicator. Stocks belong to companies, and companies can declare insolvency. Currency pairs never declare insolvency. It is possible to use computing power to improve your trading results. Most people have a computer today. How come that so many traders lose their money? Each trade is influencing the next one, and the system is using the risk setting to adjust the number of trades that are allowed. Currency pairs might go up and down in value, but they don't go away. For stocks, this isn't the case. Actually, I heard that 85% of the top 500 companies disappeared within the last 50 years. A too bold profit goal could ruin the whole system. How do I know? Because I have tested it. If the traffic is slow and you are too fast, you might crash into the car in front of you. Algo trading is what helped me to feel better, and it also improved my trading results. How do you make decisions? If you improve something that doesn't work very well, you might get mediocre results. But if you improve something that already produces good results, you might get excellent results. You could use indicators like the Bollinger Band signals for trend following or for breakout trading strategies. One of the things that really makes a difference is when you are able to open multiple positions for every expert advisor you trade. Once you are satisfied with your results, you can increase your demo or set account or switch to a full account. From time to time, similar currency pairs behave similar, but that can also be a problem. While most people focus on the entry signal, it is more about what you do after the position is opened. Often people start to manipulate their own system because they can't stand the fear.